Alright guys, what is up? I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be reviewing a fidget spinner that I just got yesterday. And then you guys probably saw my last video when I did one on this fidget spinner. Yeah. So I will be showing you, I have one that I've here that I haven't showed you guys yet, but I'm just going to show you guys the newest one that I got. So here it is. I don't know if you guys can see the different patterns on it. Yeah, you guys can see it. It's kind of like water or like the sky, and like the caps on one side there, different kind too. So, and guys, my friend told me he has like 20 fidget spinners. So he knows about them, and he told me that these are better than like the regular like bearings. I don't have any around here right now, but yeah. So I'll be showing you guys the one that I haven't showed you right now. So this one is awesome. This is it. It has 6 little like prongs coming out of it. I don't know, like little tentacles. Looks like a squid to me, and it spins very nice. This thing spins for about a minute 40, minute 50. I don't know. And you can like actually take these things off to make different patterns, but don't do it like this, because then it'll just like, you try to spin on it, it just falls off. But then you can like make it like even, and then it'll spin better. Like this is a way to do it. Now come back. This is a way to do it. And then you can do it, come back. And then you can do it like a two-sided fidget spinner. You guys have seen you guys probably have seen my video before when I did my black two-sided fidget spinner. People call it like the Lamborghini fidget spinner, but I don't know why. I guess it's called the Lamborghini fidget spinner. So yeah, you can make like really cool patterns with this. Watch, I'm gonna make a this takes so long to put in because you don't want to like, look at, I made a person. But then again, it doesn't do it. It's good. So let's get these back on. Okay. Finally, I got it on. Well, let's get these things all spinning. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later.